Hello again, everyone. Still here, still in Project 4, Cubao, Quezon City. Reminiscing. Hold on. Medyo maingay, may construction. For those of you who don't know yet, I was born here in Cubao, Quezon City. Project 4, Cubao, Quezon City. A couple of blocks from here is the street where I was born in. Nah, I wasn't born on the street, but it's the same street where my lord's house is at. So I was born here, and right now I'm walking around the neighborhood trying to figure out, trying to contemplate, trying to just meditate and plan and pray and see what's and see what God sees in this area of ours, in this community, because I know God always has a plan for people, for His people. So I'm excited. I pray that God moves. I pray that He uses me to be able to share His goodness, to be able to spread the gospel, and like what I wrote on my page, I intend to be all things to all men, so that through the help of God, I may be able to help win some. So please pray for me, pray with me, as I try to see God's name glorified in my community. Love you all.